Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download a Ubuntu 24 version. Okay, for that what you need to do, you need to go to the Google search bar and you will type download Ubuntu ISO file, and you will go to this link ubuntu.com/downloads, and this is the version that we are interested to download. So since I'm using the 64-bit architecture, so I will click download, and then afterwards if it doesn't start the download process, I will click download now. It has started. Look, it will take some time. Size is 5.9 GB. Okay, I'm going to cancel the download process because I already have this file in my system. I have already downloaded, so I will go to my E directory and search for Ubuntu. So this is the file which I have downloaded. Go to the properties, look, size is 5.90 GB. It will take some time to complete depending upon your internet speed. I hope you have gone through the process. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like and share.